Cornwell has a full line of professional digital multimeters, including the 400-amp True RMS clamp meter. It combines the capabilities of a Cat 3 digital multimeter and inductive amp clamp. True RMS and 400-amp range make it perfect for general automotive troubleshooting, including alternator output, starter draw, and circuit troubleshooting. The new Rapid AutoRange feature makes DC volt testing faster and more accurate. Cycle through different measurement options. Use the REL button to zero the display when the residual interference is present and the data hold button to freeze the LCD reading. Use the specially designed probe tip for non-contact AC voltage detection and reading. It even measures temperatures up to 1400 degrees. The large LCD, slim design, and precision thumb dial make usage easy and convenient. It includes the clamp meter, test leads, temp probe, and storage case. Order this clamp meter from your local Cornwell dealer today.